Jumping the traffic lights is one of the most common offenses these days. Make sure you do not jump them and follow the rules. People often do not wear seat belts. Make sure you wear seat belts. It's the basic safety feature that is offered in every car that you drive. Do wear them and use it properly. You should not drive your vehicle with high beams because it causes great inconvenience to the people driving from the other side. Make sure you drive at low beams and you use high beams only whenever required. Using your cell phones while driving distracts you. Believe me or not, but it's a true fact. If there's an emergency and you wish to use your cell phone, you should park your car safely on one side of the road and making sure that you're not impacting the traffic flow. Rear view mirrors or RVMs are another eyes that tells what's happening behind you. Make sure to use them properly for the purpose they are meant, else it can easily lead to accidents. Never avoid using indicators. It tells the people behind you what you are about to do next. If you do not use it properly, it may lead to accidents or put people behind you and including yourself in trouble. Excessive honking is also something that is done by most of us who drives any vehicle. You should use it carefully, making sure that it is not irritating people driving next to you. Lots of mishappenings or accidents take place these days because of overspeeding. It gets really difficult to control a vehicle if driven at a high speed. You should definitely avoid it. Because of impairment by alcohol, lots of accidents are taking place. You should not drink and drive. If you are drunk, you can prefer taking a cab because lots of facilities have revived and the availability of cabs has increased recently. Your parents, your family is waiting for you. So don't drink and drive. Not carrying your vehicle's documents or carrying incomplete documents can put yourself in trouble most of the times. Eventually, you will not reach at your destination the way you planned for. So make sure to carry all the documents and be on the safer side. Driving with aggression has become very common these days. It can easily transform small mishappenings on road into huge problems. You should not drive with aggression, rather you should be calm and composed. I have told you lots of things that you should keep in mind while driving any vehicle. If you neglect it, you may need to pay fine. But it's not about just paying a fine. It's about a very big responsibility that is associated with us if we are driving any vehicle on a road. It may even impact other people who are not at fault but driving on the same road. So follow the rules properly, be safe, drive safe. Do share this video and subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching the video.